Hello class, welcome to lesson 1 of chapter 8. We're continuing with our work on equations. So let's see what lesson 1 is. It's the solution of equations. So our objective is, I can determine whether a number is a solution to an equation by plugging in the given. So our vocab word is equation. Which is a statement that two mathematical expressions are equal. So for example, 8 plus 12 equals 20 is an equation. 14 equals a minus 3 is an equation. And 2d equals 14 is a equation. So all of these have an equal sign in common. So if we look at an expression which was like a plus 8, let's say. That's an expression. Whereas an equation is a plus 8 equals 10. So do you see that what separates an equation from an expression is the equal sign? All right, let's look at our next vocab word, which is solution of an equation, which is a value of a variable that makes an equation true. 2d. So remember, we have our invisible multiplication sign between a variable and a whole number. Well, any number actually. So 2 times d equals 14. So what do I multiply by 2 to get 14? I get 7. So then d equals 7. So the solution to this equation is d equals 7, because it would make it true. If we plugged it in, 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 7 equals 14. So that's true because they're both equal in the end. What would not be true is if we said d equals 8. Because if we plugged that in, it would be 2 times 8 equals 14. And then 2 times 8, when you multiply, gives you 16, which is not equal, so it would not be a solution. All right, let's get more practice with these with Unlock the Problem. So it says, determine whether a given value of the variable is a solution of the equation. So our equation is w plus 5 equals 29, where w equals 14. So I need to see if that's true. So w equals 14 is our given. So I'm going to plug that in. So now I have 14 plus 5 equals 29. So 29 is our original answer. 14 is our given. 14 plus 5 is 19. Is that equal to 29? No, so it is not a solution. All right, steps. We're going to look at the example from the Unlock the Problem. So step 1 is plug in the given variable. So the given variable is w equals 14. It's given to us, so we have to plug it in. So it would be 14 plus 5 equals 29. Step 2 is to solve and to make sure to bring your work down at the same time. we want to live by the motto, nobody gets left behind. Meaning in the problem. So we have 14 plus 5 equals 29. Then we add 14 and 5, and that's what I mean by solve. So 14 plus 5 is 19, and I need to bring down my equal sign and my 29, because we don't want to leave them behind. We used 14 and 5. So we bring down 29 and the equal sign, so they don't get left behind. And step 3 is to compare value found in step 2 to the original answer in the equation. So this is the value we found in step 2. And 29 is the original answer in the equation. So we need to compare them. When we see the equal sign, we're saying that they're equal. Are these two equal? No. So it is not a solution. But if we had the same problem, w plus 5 equals 29, where w equals 24, and we plugged that in, (29) is equal to 29, so it is equal, so that would be a solution. All right, here are some examples. So we have example 1, which is x minus 0.7 equals 4.3, where x equals 3.6. So we need to start by plugging in the given value. So this is our given value, and it's going to get plugged into x. So then it's 3.6 minus 0.7 equals 4.3. Now I need to solve. So I have 3.6 minus 0.7 . So when I solve for 3.6 minus 0.7, I solve that, I get 2.9, and I need to bring down the rest of my work, leave no one behind, 4.3. And the solution we found was 2.9, and we want to compare that to the original answer in the equation, which was 4.3. So are those two equal? No. So it is not a solution. All right, example 2. So we are given 1/3 A equals 1/4, where A equals 3/4. So we need to plug in our given, which is A equals 3/4. So it gets plugged into A. And what operation is secretly happening between 1/3 and A? The invisible multiplication. So remember, you are multiplying now 3 times A, so we need to plug that in. So it's 1/3 times 3/4. Bring down equals 1/4. Now I need to do that. So 1/3 times 3/4, well, 3 times 1 is 3 over 3 times 4 is 12. And we bring down our 1/4 because we leave no one behind. So we bring our equal sign and our 1/4 down. So the solution we found, this is the value we found, is that equal to the answer we were originally given? Maybe. Don't jump straight to no, because we are dealing with fractions. So is this in its simplest form? No, no, no. So we can simplify 3/12, because 3 can go into 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3, give us 1/4. So now we're looking at 1/4. Is that equal to 1/4? Yes, so it is a solution. Alright, that is it for this lesson. Go ahead and start on your homework, and I'll see you at your designated meeting time. Bye, guys.